taking the racing world by storm. Jackie Stewart, Ayrton Senna, Michael Schumacher, Sebastian Vettel. These are some of the most famous names in Formula One. Soon, Lyubov Andreeva, a young woman from Almaty, Kazakhstan, may be one of them. Lyubov was 9 years old when she got into a racing kart for the first time. By the age of 11, she was ready to compete, and she won second place in her very first race. It was an amazing achievement for a first-time racer, and it was clear from the start that Lyubov was special. From then on, Lyubov practiced whenever she could, and she went on to win the Kazakhstan Karting Championship 4 times. Due to her talent, she was invited to participate in the Russian Masters Championship, a competition for 15 to 19-year-olds that helps their transition from karting to Formula racing. Lyubov was not only the first Kazakh girl, but the first person in the history of Kazakhstan to take part in this event. The following year, she raced in the Formula 3 Championship. It was a special competition for Lyubov because the final race took place during the same week as her 18th birthday on a real Formula 1 circuit, Sochi in Russia. It was incredible for her to drive around the track where her heroes had driven only a month before. Lyubov's goal is to win the Formula 1 World Championship one day and put Kazakhstan in the spotlight. This is a huge ambition, considering no woman has ever won the World Championship or ever a Formula 1 race, but that doesn't bother Lyubov. She believes people should do what they love and follow their dreams. She says that anything is possible when you believe in yourself. She also hopes that one day she will inspire other young dreamers, just as her racing heroes have inspired her.